Today I'm going to be working a little bit on teaching the dumbbell retrieve, but all good retrieves start with a good hold. So I'm going to primarily focus on the hold. And I'm going to be using a dowel on a string. The most important thing, of course, is in the beginning you teach the dog how to hold the dumbbell. And the most important thing with the holding is we don't want the chewing. There's an art for finagling. It's easy to make a dog not chew, but then a lot of the time you lose a little bit of power. I want him to just hammer the dumbbell. I want to show his power in the retrieve. A little tuggy tug. In the beginning, I just use kind of food to get him to hold it. And I like that. I'm using the prey drive, build some power into it. Oh! Woo! Woo! Down, down. And there he wasn't quite sure. And he didn't take it with power. So I'm frustrating him a little bit. Now we'll do it again. Every time he doesn't take it with power, we just use negative punishment. And negative punishment, of course, is the removal of something that he wants down. And I need him to want this a lot. Hey, pay attention. Yeah, and he gets the double chip there. Ever since I've introduced the ball to his obedience, he's kind of been a little bit less powerful for the food, so that's something we're going back and we're working on. Ooh, ooh, hey. Good, so I have to make the act of tugging on this fun, but not too fun. Hey, good job, man. Now, part of building the drive is actually teaching him to control himself. There we go. And then occasionally within the play, I shape down the desired behavior where the dog comes smoothly from the hold right into the front. The fronts with him are good in that the position is good. But sometimes he gets a little high on me on the initial entry to the front. So that'll be something I have to fix. Here I'm really checking to make sure that he's committed to the hold. He understands the bringing it close part. Not so quick on the put your ass down part. This is why you have to do the fronts before you do this. You notice he came in crooked, down. So now I'm going to make sure he really is watching. So I'm going to stand crooked and ask for a front. Again, opening him up for the last rep. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Yeah. You got to watch when you're doing these. The dog sometimes tries to burrow into your jacket. Yeah. Way good. And now I'm getting good commitment. Might have to put some pressure on him for this. Coming in slow. Hey! Hey! Yeah! And we'll do it just like that. And if he continues to come in a little slow, I'll put the e-collar to him to speed him up. Down, down, down. And you can see we've lost speed, and that's the whole thing with sport training. You always got to be careful that you're not spending too much on the behavior and you're losing the power. If the dog kind of learns it without power, you know, it can be a problem later on to try and add it. Yay! Nice. Now I'm going to just end with power, power, power. Yeah. Right. Back. Whoa! Oh, wow! And we're all done. Just a little look at what we're doing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment below, all that good stuff. And hopefully this helps you.